Hello everybody, welcome again to your English class with teacher Blanca Valencia. The topic for today's class is telling time. Now, what does it mean telling time? Well, when we want to know the time, when we want to know what time it is, we ask a question that is, what time is it? What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. Like this. What time is it? This is the question we make when we want to know the time. What time is it? And today you're going to learn or practice how to tell the time. The first thing you have to know is the names of the parts of the clock. So first, can you see this white circle with numbers? That is called the clock face. Clock face. Very good. The clock face. And then inside of this clock face, we see numbers. These numbers show the hours. Each clock has 12 hours, beginning with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So, in one day, the clock shows 2 times 12 hours. 12 plus 12 equals? That's right, 24. And another part of the clock are the hands. The short hand and the long hand. And this tiny hand is for the seconds, okay? So some clocks have 2 hands, some clocks have 3 hands. Let's see what they are for. This short hand shows the hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Points to the hour. And the long hand points to the minutes. So, for example, here I'm going to show you 8 o'clock. Good. The short hand pointing to the 8 and the long hand pointing to the number 12 shows that it is 8 o'clock. We are not going to pay any attention to the second hand, the hand that shows the seconds, only the short hand that shows the hour and the long hand that shows the minute. Okay, so here we have 8 o'clock. Very well. Let me write on the board for you. In the clock face, there is a short hand that shows the hours and the long hand that shows the minutes. Okay, let me show you. Like this. Short hand shows the hours. Long hand shows the minutes. Good. And now, let's start showing you how to tell time. Okay, everybody. So let's see. Here I am showing you that the short hand is pointing to number 1 and the long hand is pointing to number 12. Every time the long hand points to 12, it means it is the hour o'clock. Okay, so right now here I'm showing you that it is 1 o'clock. So to answer the question, what time is it? It is 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. Right here, it's 1 o'clock. Then, if I move the hands of the clock, look how fast time passes. Now, 1 hour has passed. Did you see the long hand moving all around the clock face? In the real time, it takes 1 hour for the long hand to go around the face. So here I showed you, just like this, that 1 hour has passed. Now, can you tell me the time, kids? What time is it? Very good. It's 2 o'clock. Let me write it on the board. It is 2 o'clock. Now it's 2 o'clock. Can you see? It's 2 o'clock. Very well. Now, I'm going to show you another time. Wait a moment. Now, can you see that the short hand is pointing to number 6 and the long hand is pointing to number 12? Okay. Can you tell me, please, what time is it? Very well. It is 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Can you see the board? Very well. And that's the way we tell the time when the hour is o'clock. But there are some times that it, for example, it is not 6 o'clock because time passes, and then we see that the long hand has moved a quarter of this circle. This circle, imagine this circle is a pie. And we cut this pie in four equal parts. So from here to here is 1/4 of this pie, or a quarter of the hour. So when the long hand goes from 12 to the number 3, a quarter of the hour has passed. 15 minutes have passed. So what time is it here, kids? Exactly. It's 6:15. Let me write it on the board for you. It's 6:15. It's 6:15. Can you see? 6:15. Now, let me show you another time. Very well. I am here again. First, you have to pay attention that the long hand is pointing to number 8. But the long hand shows to number 3. So it means that, again, a quarter has passed from 8 o'clock. So it's 8:15. So kids, what time is it? That's correct. 8:15. I'm going to write it on the board. It's 8:15. 8. Okay. It's 8:15. I'm going to show you the clock once again. 8:15. Now let me show you another time. Okay, kids, now here. Take a look at this. Again, first we see that the long hand is pointing to number 3, so it means it's 8:15. 10. That's correct. What time is it, kids? It's 10:15. Very well. It's 10:15. Quarter past 10. Okay, I'm going to do a little magic trick. I'm going backwards. Here it's 10 o'clock, but then time has starting to pass, and here 15 minutes passed from 10 o'clock to here, that is 10:15. Let me show you. It's 10:15. That's right. But then time does not stop. It continues passing. So here is 10:15, but then tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Time continues passing, and here. Remember what I told you about the pie? Imagine this is our pie, but we cut this pie. This pie is 1 hour. Now we cut it in half. One half here, another half here. So it was 10 o'clock, but then the time started passing, and half an hour has passed. So here we see that it is, when the long hand points to the 6, is 10:30. Half an hour has passed. This half past 10. I'm going to do again some magic, going back to 10 o'clock. Now, here is 10 o'clock, but then it's 10:15. That's right. And then time continues passing, and here is 10:30. 10:30. Very good, kids. I'm going to show you another time. Very well. Now, take a look at this. What time is it here? Very good. It's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. But then, I'm going to do some magic. Here is 1:15. And here is, what time is it? That's right, 1:30. But look, the short hand didn't stay here pointing to 1. It goes little by little, moving towards the number 2, to the next hour. This short hand was pointing to 1, but in the time of 1 hour, it goes from 1 to 2. It means this little short hand moves from number to number in 1 hour. Okay? Like this, 1 hour, another hour, another hour. So here we can see that it is, what time is it? We said that it is half past 1. Okay? I'm going to write it for you on the board. What time is it? It's half past 1. That's how you write half past. It is 1:30. Okay. 1:30. Now, let's do some more magic. Time continues passing. Now it's, what time is it? 2 o'clock. That's correct. 2 o'clock. 2:15. 2:30. But then time continues passing. And let's see here. What's going on? When this long hand points to the number 9, it means that it's 2:45, but now it's 2:45. So we say that is quarter. This is 1/4 of our pie. 2:45. I'm going to write it on the board for you. It's 2:45. 2:45. Take a look at this. It's 2:45. Okay, now look at this. Oops, it's upside down. 2:45. But then time continues passing. Now it's, that's right, 3 o'clock. And then, what time is it? Very good, 3:15. Continues passing, and here it is. That's right, 3:30. And then, look at the shorthand. It's moving to number 4. Here, what time is it, kids? That's correct. It's 3:45. And then, if we continue moving this long hand, ta-da, what happened here? It's pointing to 4. Now it's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. And like this, the hands continue walking, going around the clock face, all day, all night. And that's how we can see that time passes and we can tell time. Okay, kids? I hope you have enjoyed this short class. Thank you for your attention, kids. And don't forget to practice the time. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.